Hey guys, it's me Link, and we're gonna unbox the desktop I've shown on my last video. So yeah, I'm gonna give the basic specs again later, but for now, just let's unbox it. Hope that worked. Perfect. In here we have two hands, yeah, that. And here we have a keyboard, a new keyboard, decent keyboard. Let's just keep this to the side. Desktop, and then there's another thing in here which is the power plug, which connects the computer with the power switch, and then our mouse, our Asus mouse. I'll open that later. Instruction booklets with the CD. I think, yeah, it's a support CD. Put that to a side. Let's put this aside again. Now here, just open the bag. So yeah, let's put out the plastic cup back, and I'm gonna add this to the video. So yeah, let's start it again. Okay, let's take one last plastic off. This one's a little hard. Okay, that's the full thing. So it has an optical drive. The Blu-ray is it's a DVD / Blu-ray combo. It has an expansion bay too. Yeah, it has a 3 gig NVIDIA GT 30 with HDMI and Core i7 3rd gen. As I just said, this is a 3rd gen. It goes to 3.4 gigahertz and 3.9 with turbo boost. So this is the back with the Windows 8 sticker, as of course it's Windows 8. Yeah, designed for power media performance with style. And yeah, and this is the back of it. Here's your power, and then your 2 USBs. Then there are other few ports, more USBs, VGA, then your power supply right there, and here expandable. You could maybe put a FireWire port there, or other ports, and then you got some of your microphone jack, then your sound, your headphone jacks and all that. And then I think these are USB, yeah, they're USB 3.0s. These are 2.0 USBs. And yeah. And here on the front are, they have another 2 more 3.0 ports, USBs, and other 2.0 USBs. And then here's another microphone jack and a headphone jack. And these are your SD card slots, and yeah, it's really it. So there's the keyboard again, and you got your mouse, and then yeah, power plug. I'm gonna make the setup in a separate video. So yeah, guys, comment, rate, and subscribe, and yeah, see you guys.